In this video, I will show you how to download a WinRAR file. Do not forget like, subscribe my channel Techinfo. Let's start the video. Click on search bar and type WinRAR. Click on enter button. Select WinRAR download free and support WinRAR file. Its dialog box will be open. We can choose one option, buy WinRAR or download WinRAR free trial for 40 days support. Now we can click on second. Now its dialog box will be open. Scroll with mouse and click on the download WinRAR 40 days free trial. Click on download WinRAR file. Now we can see our file will be downloaded after few minutes. Click on WinRAR file. Now its dialog box will be open. Click on install button. Our software will be installed after few seconds. Click on interface. Add WinRAR to desktop. Click on interface. Add to WinRAR at start button. Click on OK. Click on done. When we click on done button, close the box. Now we can see our software will be installed. If you want to see your file health, right click on file, click on properties and see your file health. Now right click on the file, select to archive. Its dialog box will be open. When its dialog box will be open, now we can choose three items: RAR, RAR4 or zip. Click on OK. New dialog box will be open. When new dialog box will be open, now we can see our processing will be started. After few seconds, the process will be ended. Now we can check our compress file. Right click on the CMD file, check properties and check its health. Click on OK button. Now we can extract easily. Right click on the file, open with the WinRAR. Its dialog box will be open. Close the window. Select extract to file. Click OK. Now our file will be extracted. Now we can see on the desktop CMD. Double click on the file.